What is fraction? Hello! In this video we'll try to find out what a fraction is and to understand what it is for in common life. In math, any division of two numbers, for example a and b, can be represented as a fraction. The horizontal bar is called a trait or a fractional bar and means division. A number above the trait a is called a numerator. A number under the trait b is called a denominator. Remember, denominator is never zero. B can't be zero because it is impossible to divide anything by nothing. The division action itself is missing. The examples of fractions are 1/3, 2/7, 10/6, 11/8, 13/13. And now let's discuss what fractions for in common life. Remember, a fraction is a part of a whole or a number of equal parts. A whole is divided. For example, let's divide a circle into 6 equal parts. Let's shade one piece of the circle. This one shaded piece is 1/6 part of the circle. Now let's shade 2 pieces of the circle. 2 shaded pieces are 2/6 parts of the circle. And finally, let's shade 5 pieces of the circle. 5 shaded pieces are 5/6 parts of the circle. The denominator 6 means how many parts we divided our circle. The numerator 5 means that we took 5 parts of our divided circle. It doesn't matter what we divide, but it should be divided equally. Let's consider the other example, the divided into 4 parts square. Let's shade one piece of the square. This one shaded piece is 1/4 of the square. Let's shade 3 pieces of the square. 3 shaded pieces are 3/4 of the square. And the last example for today is the rectangle divided into 5 parts equally. 2 shaded pieces are 2/5 of the rectangle. Let's shade 3 pieces of the rectangle. 3 shaded pieces are 3/5 of our rectangle. 5 shaded pieces are 5/5 of the rectangle, or one whole rectangle. And that's all that I wanted to share with you for now. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Watch more videos about math. Bye!